Welcome guys, this is G23 and we are going to be doing a unboxing video. Hopefully it is my Rock Slide USA that I ordered back in April. So here is the package and we shall see if this is the right one. So I will go ahead and get this cut open. Don't mind the dirty workbench. Let's see if I can do this while I'm on camera. Here is Made in the USA. Rock Slide USA. This is how it comes, all packaged up. Nice and neat. And this is their tungsten steel for the G23. I paid the $50 extra to go ahead and have all the internals put in so that I can run a dual setup for my G23. This is what it will be going on. We'll safety check. Again, chamber is empty. No mag. Safe direction pointed at concrete. Here's going to be the tricky part, trying to swap the slides. So, I am going to flip the camera around. And it's pretty simple. I'm going to take the guide rod out, swap the barrel out, and there's the old factory. Let's see if it's going to fit, guys. Barrel slides in. And there it looks. Got the nice venom cuts on there. Cut for the RMR. And got the rear dovetail so I can co-witness. There is going to be a shooting portion of coming up where I'm going to shoot it once without any sights on there for a Patriot in the Dark challenge, and I will tag him in that. Again, now let's see what it looks like on the gun. And I think it goes well with my extended slide lock, extended takedown, extended mag, and doesn't look too bad. We will do a review for shooting in the next few days. Thank you for watching, and More to come.